Hi y'all. I got new bag from the shop. It's only $60. Look at this detail. Van Gogh. Ooh, I love it so much. So cute and unique. I don't know. I feel like I should buy more. Right?
Yeah, right.
Anything there like this?
Nice print, no? Good material as well.
Yeah.
How much was it? $60?
$60.
handle the whole project on Bible.
1852年，交易引入一座讓物轉運作為懲罰工具。
It was a little church. So you will find some 19th century wall painting there.
Bed. They have the telephone in here as well. You like the building is so high up. Look at this. Wow.
Beer over there, so you want to go down there?
Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, we just came back from 7-Eleven and so I got bulldog noodles, regular one, like Thailand. Yeah. And this one also, chomin sausage, cumin sausage, extra long, like long sausage, or this different way. This one. And I also got chocolate milk deluxe chocolate. Okay, let's try this one first. How can I open this one, Tommy? Oh my god. Bless you. How can I open this one? I'm shaking first, huh?
It's Tetra Pak, you know? I thought like this.
Oh.
You see this one? So there, huh?
Yeah.
Like this. Fold it.
Wow!
Like that?
In Thailand, we have something
Yeah.
like this, you know. In Thailand, we have something like this, so I'm not sure how to open this. I'm gonna do it.
It's good?
Yep, it is. Sauces.
It's a cumin, right? Can I try?
What's cumin?
Cumin spice.
Spice?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This is quite nice. Yeah.
That's pretty good, huh?
The one thing different about Thailand and here is
Did you try the noodles yet?
not yet. Okay. We have to fill. Can you grab the mic back, please? We have to fill. We have to whip this one by ourselves.
What you want from the back?
The sauce. Yeah.
Okay, gonna try this one, huh?
Yeah. This is so good actually. More cumin sausage from 7-Eleven in Hong Kong, guys.
They don't have that one in Thailand?
No, definitely not. It's just CP mostly. Really good, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Try first.
You have to put this as well, the seaweed.
Seaweed or seed?
In here, yeah.
Oh. Okay, those little black pieces
Yeah.
seaweed?
It's just really popular in Thailand as well. This one I always eat sometime. Yeah. I feel like we are in New York City. Everything is so high up. The building is so high, and we are feel like so small. Everything. And I especially when it's the night, the light is so good. You know, the light from the shop and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's try this. Spicy.
Yeah. Try one.
You sure?
Sure. Quite sure.
I like the food in Hong Kong so much. Everything is so good. Everything, you know, even though it's a small shop, like something like surprise a lot. I think I can live here, you know. If I can live here, I mean, like if I have opportunity to live here, I can live here because the food is so good. Also, the water in here is so expensive.
Buffalo blue cheese, huh?
Tommy got this from yesterday,
Yeah.
but apparently he doesn't like it.
Yeah.
And he was like, he doesn't like sour.
Yeah.
But this one is like, he just eat one piece and then he drop everything.
And then I drop everything.
And somehow today he start like it. I don't know what happened.
Yeah. I told you I'm a different man today, huh?
Tomorrow we have a plan to go to the, what it's called? The peak.
Victoria Peak.
Victoria Peak is which is up the hill. We can take the little tram to go there.
Yeah.
So we'll see for tomorrow, you know.
Yeah.
So
Good. Okay.
He's a McDonald's lover.
16 pieces, no? 100. Only $100.
We can use food panda in here in Hong Kong as well. Same as Thailand. Finally, I got original milk tea in Hong Kong. It's so good. Perfectly splendid. Not too sweet, everything is perfect. And the soup was so nice. This noodle is like Thailand. This one. Let's try this. This one the meat. Meat so good.
Huh?
Meat.
No, I didn't try it. Good? Oh yeah.
Bun. The bun is so soft as well. Let's try goose. Goose, red goose, goose. Let's try goose, guys. This is the sauce that they gave it to me. So let's put it in the goose.
Plum sauce?
Plum sauce, yes. Put on top. Oh yeah. Like this. I'm craving rice so much, guys. Recently, just eat noodles.
Is it bone in it?
No,
Good with the sauce?
crispy.
Do you think you should put more sauce on it?
Try first, like it or not. Crispy.
Oh yeah.
Eat with the kale. Good?
Yeah, we're good. Be careful, there's bone in it.
Really?
Very good though. Crispy.